Africa, known for its diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes, is also home to one of the world's most promising frontiers for agriculture investment. The agriculture sector in Africa is more than just a source of sustenance. It's a key driver of economic growth, employment, and food security across the continent. Agriculture in Africa not only contributes significantly to GDP, but it also provides livelihoods for millions of people, particularly in rural areas. From the lush fields of Ghana to the vast savannas of Kenya and the coffee plantations of Ethiopia, the opportunities for investment in African agriculture are diverse. In this video, we will explore the market dynamics and opportunities that make agriculture investment in Africa very attractive. We will also discuss the latest trends and innovations shaping the industry. So stay tuned and let's uncover the vast landscape of agriculture investment in Africa. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell for more insights on investment topics. Africa is home to one of the fastest growing populations in the world, estimated to reach 2.5 billion people by 2050. This growth presents a massive demand for food. However, Africa still faces food security challenges despite having arable land. Insufficient domestic food production has also led to massive imports, which creates a huge economic downfall. Climate variability is another factor at play. While it can lead to extreme weather events and droughts, it also opens the door to investments in climate-smart agriculture. From drought-resistant crops to efficient irrigation systems, there are plenty of opportunities to overcome climate-related challenges. Now imagine the power of scientific research combined with traditional knowledge of African farming. Mobile apps, precision farming, and data analytics are changing the game, increasing productivity and connecting farmers to markets like never before. But let's be honest, inadequate infrastructure has held African agriculture back for a very long time. Therefore, investment in roads, storage facilities, and transportation can reduce post-harvest losses and improve market access. With that being said, the opportunities in agriculture investment in Africa are far greater than our limitations. Smallholder farmers are the backbone of African agriculture. Therefore, there is no barrier to entry, which means there is still room for new investors to enter the market, gain market share, and generate significant revenue and profits. African agricultural products are in high demand locally as well as in global markets. Investments in quality control, innovations, and market access can significantly ramp up demand as well as boost exports and foreign earnings. And don't forget renewable energy in agriculture. Solar-powered irrigation is essential in regions where rain is hard to predict. And these clean energy solutions can bring light to rural areas. Precision agriculture and drones are optimizing the use of resources, reducing waste, and enhancing productivity. It's a rapidly growing market with vast potential. And with the current excitement around the concept of sustainability, the sky is the limit. The global trend towards sustainable and organic farming presents a huge opportunity for investment in African agriculture. This will not only foster economic growth, but it will also promote environmental stewardship, which is a massive competitive advantage. Mixed farming, which consists of growing different crops and raising animals on the farm, is also a great way to add sustainability, as it can reduce dependency on external inputs, enhance soil fertility through interactions between crops and livestock, and improve overall farm productivity. Mixed farming can also optimize resource utilization, minimize waste, and promote biodiversity, making it an environmentally and economically sound agricultural system. And don't forget, public policies in many African countries provide funding in the form of free land, equipment, and fertilizers for agriculture purposes. So if you are short on resources, that would be a good place to start. Africa's agricultural landscape presents endless opportunities, from smallholder farming to agribusiness, renewable energy, smart technologies, and sustainable practices. The possibilities are boundless to grow a profitable business in Africa. And these smart investments can also bring food security and economic growth. Let me know in the comments what you think about agriculture investment in Africa. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.